Hello everybody. I bought this little heater. It's a ThermaMist Pro humidifying space heater. Because I keep a sniffles and a head cold and everything else during the winter. It's 800 power watts. I bought this with my own money. I want to check it out because it says it missed. I plugged it in is all I did, so we're going to try it together. It says all these pieces. I got the water. Let's see. It says fill the measuring cup with 120 milliliters of water. Use tap or mineral water. Distilled water may damage mist nozzle. Weird. Lift nozzle and soak in measuring cup for 2 minutes. Okay, so this the nozzle. Get it out. Okay. Let's see. How to open this thing. I hope y'all seeing good. It comes with tip over safety, air inlet, accessories, spoon brush, replacement missing sticks. It's got a timer and a light. Clean it. Let's see. Mist nozzle. Oh, okay. You snap it up. Ooh. And you take one of these. I guess it soaks up the water. You put it in here. Snap it and you soak it for about 2 minutes, it says. Okay. Let's see. This is a cleaning brush. I guess you go down in there and clean it out real good. I guess I don't know. Oh, here it is. Okay, so it's got a stick to it. Yeah, that's good. I wonder if this is where you fill it up with water. I don't know why you couldn't fill it up in there, but okay. I don't know how you clean that in there, but there's a heating element, I guess. It says drain out water tank and keep mist nozzle clean before storing. That's a max water line, I guess. It'll says, and see, I tipped it and everything came off. See, the light was on. Tipped it, they went off. Tipped it, came back on. We're gonna see if we can play with this a little bit. It probably ain't gonna put out a lot of heat, but it'd probably be good for putting it on my feet, on my table beside me for my face. All right, we're gonna add the water. It's been about 2 minutes. I'm gonna put that back in there, in that little hole. And we got that plug out. We're gonna add our water. I'm gonna look on the side, see if you can see that. Anyway, it says 120 on the water filler. Ooh. Put this back on. Let's see. Move that off a little bit more. Move this stuff. And it says heat and mist. Mist came up with a blue light. Oh, look, y'all, the mist. Can you see it? All right, and then it says light. I don't know. See, it cut off because I chipped it. But where's the light? And you got the timer. It sets 1 hour, 2 hours. Let's see what that light. Let's see. Where's the light? Is it on the back? It sure is putting out some mist, though. I hope y'all can see that. Let's see. The light. Oh, it's on the box. Let's see. It's a multicolored night light, great for bedroom. Oh, here it is. See the light? It's changing colors. Like pinkish, white, blue. I don't know how many colors. Purple. Oh, how cool is that? All right, let's green. All right, let's turn on the heat to see if it works. Oh, it's blowing. Turn green. I guess it's a little, that's off. Guess it's just got a medium, a low and a high setting. But it's blowing. Wish I had something. Let's see. Let's see if it. Yeah, it's blowing that paper. It's blowing pretty good too. Alright, we got our mist coming out of there. It ain't lit up red yet. It's trying. This is gonna take it a minute. And I got my color changing light. And I got my mist. I got my air blowing out, my heat blowing. Oh, that feels good, y'all. Hey, blow pretty good. It keep my feet warm. Alright, I wanted to do a little. It ain't even. This thing hot. I'm loving this, y'all. And I got my mist. Alright, if y'all like this video, y'all like, share, subscribe, and have a great day.